Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce technology spending with IBM easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin reducing technology spending with IBM, first assess your current technology expenses. Gather all invoices, receipts, and contracts related to your technology investments. Identify the key areas where spending occurs, such as software licenses, cloud services, and hardware. Next, analyze usage data for each technology service. Determine which services are underutilized or not utilized at all. Consider consolidating software licenses across the organization to reduce costs. IBM offers various tools that can help track usage and optimize spending. Explore IBM cost management solutions to gain insights into your financials. Evaluate your current IBM software agreements for any potential savings. Reach out to IBM representatives to discuss tailored cost-reducing strategies. Investigate IBM cloud credits as an option to offset future expenses. Implement regular reviews of technology needs and spending. Establish a technology governance team to oversee cost management efforts. Encourage departments to submit technology requests based on necessity and projected ROI. Educate your teams about the importance of cost-effective technology usage. Finally, set measurable goals for reducing technology spending and track progress regularly. This strategic approach will help you streamline costs and maximize efficiency. With the right plans in place, reducing technology spending can lead to significant savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.